Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I had to take a quick break from our family photo shoot behind us. We were taking pictures. I am pleasantly surprised that our daily harvest food subscription came in today. It is actually an early family Christmas present from my mom. She wanted us to try it out, so we're gonna do the unboxing. I'm super excited because it looks so good on TV, so hopefully it tastes well. That is my mom and family behind me. They're here too. They're gonna actually be taste testing as well. Hopefully it's really, really good. I am excited. So let's go ahead on and open this box and see what we have in it. All right, let's go ahead on and get into this. All right. Really, it was kind of like a surprise that it came so early. I think we just ordered it maybe like 3 days ago, 2-3 days ago. So it's our first box. She actually ordered the 14 item, and you get like a $25 discount on your first one. Ooh! So it was under $100. I think she said it was like maybe $84 or so. It comes in dry ice, which lasts up to like 24 hours or whatever. So let's see. So all of our stuff is in here. We're gonna get to that. It has this little welcome book. Let's see what's in it. All right. So a lot of their foods. Okay, so probably like maybe a little catalog of all the different foods. Doesn't it look so yummy? Ooh, OMG, I can't wait to get into this. Okay, you didn't have to, let's see. Oh, what is that? Big Veg Energy.
Is it a pop socket or something? What is that?
Oh, it's a magnet, but we got you something anyway. Yeah, okay, I get it now. We didn't have to, but we got you something anyway. Yeah, I bet. For this to remind you of Daily Harvest. I hope this is as good as I think it is. All right, so you get this little book, a catalog of probably all of their food items, and then they also gifted you the, what was it, the magnet. All right, so here is the chocolate and blueberry. Oh my. The packaging looks so beautiful. I think I am interested in this just because of that. So this is one of their bowls, I believe. It's the sweet potato plus wild rice hash.
What's in that? Let's see on the labels that are on there. Tomato, wild rice, sweet potato, great northern bean, avocado, and maitake, like mushrooms.
Yes. And if you guys don't know, that's Jason, my husband.
Hello.
So this is mints and cocoa. It's a smoothie. And look, see, you can tell that the ice, even like the little watery ice, is still frozen.
So what are the instructions that is, like, are we supposed to just put it right in the freezer, or is it go in the fridge?
Yes, unless you're gonna eat it, you definitely need to put it in the refrigerator.
Are the bowls supposed to be refrigerated? I guess, is that the thing?
Yes, everything is frozen.
Okay.
Everything is frozen until
I guess I'm asking, does it have instructions on the side of like, hey, keep it frozen till
well,
you eat or something
it has, let's see. Okay, everything has instructions on package up there. Okay. So,
got it.
Yep, everything has instructions. And this, for example, the sweet potato and wild rice hash, it's to be put on the stovetop for about 4 to 5 minutes or so. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water or broth if needed. All right, ladies, let me finish this, okay? And then for microwave, you can put it in a microwave. It says keep in this bowl. It's microwave safe, heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Stir halfway in between and enjoy.
Oh, and look at the bottom, the last line at the bottom of it. It says perishable, so store frozen, do not thaw or refreeze.
Yes. We have oat bowl, cinnamon and banana. Strawberry and peach. Another strawberry and peach, and those are smoothies. Strawberry and peach. So obviously, I think that was a good one. She allowed me to pick the ones that I wanted. So this is an oat bowl, apple and cinnamon. So you can see everything that's in it: walnut, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon. So these are supposed to be really, really healthy. The only sad part is I don't know if this is really sustainable for us, but I am excited about actually trying them out.
Because of the cost, basically?
Yes, the cost. I mean, you know, it is fresh foods though. So kale plus sweet potato. I would definitely love to do this for at least 30 days when I get my mind right to do my whole 30, which you eat whole foods for 30 days. Artichokes and spinach. Oh, this is flatbread. That looks so yummy.
Broccoli flatbread.
Oh my goodness.
There's another one of those too.
Okay, so yeah, here we have another one.
So that's sweet potato
Sweet potato flatbread.
Let me get it. Yeah, sweet potato flatbread. It's kale and sweet potato.
And then what do we have here? Okay, so nothing else.
Next week, same time.
Same time.
Look at this. It says as cool as dry as may look, it's not so cool to touch. Do us a favor, leave it in the box. It'll melt its own. Okay. Yep.
All right. So same time next week. Cool beans.
So I think that's everything in the box.
All right. So that is everything. Like I said, this is 14 items. We're gonna go ahead on and make room in our refrigerator for these. All right, guys, so that is everything. Like I said, we got the 14 items. We're gonna go ahead on and make room in the refrigerator for all of these. In addition, we're gonna go ahead on and pick a couple to actually eat and try today. So I probably will eventually make another video with my husband, my mom, and my kids. I'm going to share all of this with them. But also, before I go, let me tell you a little bit more information about it. So everything was like real clear, like when you went to their website or whatever, because my mom allowed me to order it. She's going to be leaving in like maybe 2 weeks. And if you guys don't know, I had a baby, so I really need to do a life update video. But she said that we really need to consider some type of alternative, because cooking 3 meals a day with my new little Joy who has colic or who is colic, and so you know how that can be. But anyway, she wanted us to kind of try one of these types of food orderings out. So anyway, you can pause or stop your subscription at any time. You just have to do it by Sunday, which is, I guess, their reorder day. In addition, like I said, we got $25 off because this was our first time. So I think we paid maybe about, she paid about $80 some, which I think that's really reasonable. In addition, they do have a recommendation or a referral program, and I'm gonna put that link down there. So if you guys choose to try this out, please use my link and you just might get me another week of this stuff. And I think it's only maybe about $5. So it's not a whole lot, but if you order, then they will also give you a link as well for any referrals that you refer. Like I said, I definitely will be back to let you guys know how all of this tastes. All right, until then, bye-bye.